Neurotransmitters. Okay. So, like neurotransmitters are the brain chemicals which we release at the particular activities. Okay, and we can see dopamine is the one, and the oxytocin and serotonin and endorphin is the like four brain chemicals. Okay, so in this we see when we complete a task, so we feel very happy because it gives you a feeling of accomplishment. Okay, and when it gives you a reward, this is basically a motivational and reward chemical. Whenever we do something or complete something, so means reward मिलेगा जिस तरह ते उस तरह dopamine release होएगा. ठीक है, and after releasing this, what we will we have is ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ mood elevators ਹੈ, this is one of the mood elevators also. ਅਸੀਂ depression ਤੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਆਵਾਂਗੇ. Okay, and ਅਸੀਂ like ਆਪਣਾ cravings ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ because of lack of something, because of some void we have some cravings, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੀਆਂ like less ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੀਆਂ. Okay, so for to increase dopamine, what we can do is we can set our goals and divide them into a small chunks. Like जे मैं suppose मैं set कितना goal के आज मैं 10 लोगों ਨੂੰ रात तक मैं gratitude feel करना है for 10 people. Okay, but then I have done that after every like in 1 hour I am going to do with one person. So what will happen after completing the 1 hour and after completing the one person, gratitude for one person, I feel very good. Yes, I have done it, you know. So instead of putting the goals like, you know, goals for the long like things, put the small chunks, the goals of the small chunks, or divide them into a small chunks. That would give you more motivation and more satisfaction of completing a task, and dopamine will increase more that way. Okay, and the next is endorphins, or okay, we can take is oxytocin. Oxytocin is the love chemical which comes after loving someone, loving or hugging someone. This is a wonderful exercise and this is a wonderful self-help tool also. When we love someone or when we hug someone, our loved one or our friends or our, like, you know, anyone, even some animal or whatever, this oxytocin will like, you know, increase or will release. So that would give us satisfaction, that would give us a very wonderful feeling of calmness and contentment and trust, feeling of trust and empathy. Okay, so like this you can do right now also. Just close your eyes and hug yourself, just, you know, this way.
Yeah, like just,
and just feel yourself. Yeah, and just say, I love you, Charanjit. Like, you know, take your name and tell yourself that I love you, and that would give you a wonderful you know, feeling of calmness plus feeling of contentment. I think everybody must have done by now. So it is very, very important. So when we can keep it also in our daily routine, that daily we will hug 5 person and say thanks to them, or you know that way. So in the end she will like sare like compose karegi, like how many activities we should do in a day. So next brain chemical is serotonin. That is mood stabilizer. Okay, serotonin is basically happiness hormone. Okay, so when we like be in nature, or when we meditate, or like when whatever we do, so when we feel happy, so serotonin will increase. Okay, and the second and the last one is endorphin. This is the painkiller. We have like, you know, it is said that endorphin is painkiller, means when we see any funny movie or any laughter, basically a laughter we say. So laughter ki hunda hai denal ki when we laugh, so we feel very good and endorphin is released, and our lots of negative emotions will release. So in the like in the whole, what happens when we feel when we hug someone, oxytocin will release, and with this you will feel very content and very happy, and calmness will come, and then serotonin will increase. Okay, so when the serotonin will release, what happen ke jado complete a task will come, that feeling come, and what happens then, dopamine will release, and then this will lead to endorphin, sorry, endorphin. So this way, like these all four brain chemicals we can release by doing our these self-help tools. So scientifically it is proven that we can make ourselves happy by doing these self-help tools. Okay, now Raftesh, please compose all the.
Hanji. Hanji. So, okay, let's just for a second go back to the self-help tools that we did today. When we
Yeah.
start with breathing or meditation, serotonin is covered, right? So, pray or meditate is the first activity that you can do. Breathing and meditation covers serotonin. After that, we had heart centering, which could be, it could be, again, it could be dopamine and it could be serotonin as well, because it is kind of a meditation, but you're also paying yourself a compliment, right? Like how we've written in oxytocin, when you say I see you and I thank you, that is complimenting your body, and that is saying something that will generate the love chemical. After that, the last one that we did was gratitude. Gratitude also comes under self-care, and gratitude comes under oxytocin as well. So what I suggest you do is, even under endorphins, when we talk about do something creative, if every day we ask you to look for 5 things that you're grateful for, you will have to be creative, because you're trying to find 5 new things every single day.
Exactly right.
So what we recommend you do, again, I will share this slide. What we recommend you do is pick one task. 5 minutes tha. When we talk about dopamine and we talk about completing a task, even if it's not something big like achieving a goal, it could be something as simple as exercising today, or decluttering a drawer, or just like cleaning something, right? It could be something very small, and it could be something very big. So, for example, you pick one activity from each of the 4 boxes. One will increase dopamine, then another will increase oxytocin, another will increase serotonin, and then the fourth will increase endorphins. If you do an activity from each of the boxes, your happiness level, your well-being level, and your positivity levels will increase tremendously. The increase is literally going to be 4 times, because your brain is producing the hormones, the chemicals that you need to be happy. When we talk about anxiety, when we talk about frustration, boredom, negative emotions, so we are trying to cover all of the issues in these 4 boxes.
Yes.
We've given you a few examples under all of them. If you want, please let us know. We'll be available. But this is a good place to start. This isn't everything, but it's a really, really good place to start.
Yes, wonderful.
Okay, moving on to,